Hello, my name is Julia Paula Fajardo Morelo, then reflection and comentario and prayer. Well, according to the video, it is important to evaluate the learning process, since with this we will be able to identify the objectives that have been achieved. On the other hand, this process also teaches us as teachers and allows us to improve. Change strategy. It is a very important process for both of us. It is also to carry out evaluations with feedback in the classroom, as it enriches the learning process by giving students a better understanding of their abilities, and this allows them to be more autonomous. Raúl and Priya strengths are taught in their new grammar, and their weaknesses are that they don't focus much on the meaning of the text. Well, Raúl and Priya made many mistakes, but often recognized it well, but they had to remove the A in the sentence. She likes to play ball. I advise them to pay more attention to the meaning of the text or the sentence next time. And I think they did not correct the error exactly because they did not pay attention to the meaning of the sentence or the text. Is all. Thank you so much.